How to connect Google Analytics to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go ahead and get started. So first you'll need to just go to your browser and set up a Google Analytics account. So just go ahead and search up Google Analytics and you should be able to find it as the first option. And then from here, you simply just want to click on sign into Analytics from the top here. This is going to begin the setup process for us, so we're just going to go ahead and go through the setup process. Now for me, I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to the last step of the process, which is going to be where you are going to be collecting data from. Now, as the setup process goes on for you, it is very simple, it's straightforward. They're going to ask you some details about your account and also the property being your Shopify store, by the way. And then you're just going to add some more information about your business and what you are actually expecting and what you want to do or get out of analytics. After that, you're going to be met with this: start collecting data for your website, either by web, Android app, or iOS. So in the case of Shopify, you simply just want to click on web. And now you just want to paste in your Shopify URL to this right here. And by the way, to get the link of your Shopify store, it's very simple. You just want to log into your Shopify admin online store and just click on view your online store and just copy the link of this right here. So just copy this, go back to analytics and just paste this in. Just make sure you remove the HTTPS and these slashes. Next, just go ahead and add in the stream name, the Shopify store name. Make sure you have the enhanced measurement turned on. It's just a lot better for you to keep it on, and just click on create and continue from the top right corner. Now we're pretty much done, but we also want to finalize this by installing it to Shopify to make things a lot easier. And by the way, it's going to start collecting data from 48 hours from now. But anyways, we're just going to leave this as it is, and we simply just want to head on over into our Shopify store. From Shopify, we simply just want to go to apps, click on add, and we want to look up Google and YouTube. It's going to be this one right here, and simply just install it to your Shopify store. Go ahead and click on install one more time. And now from here, you simply just want to connect your Google account. Just make sure you select the actual account we used to set up Google Analytics. Don't use another one. So click on connect Google account. Now, once you're in this page, you simply just want to go to the right here and click on the arrow right over here. And you should actually see looking only to set up Google Analytics for your store. Click on get started. So you simply just scroll down, click on connect your Google Analytics property, and just go and select the property that we just created and click on connect. And you can also feel free to turn on emails to receive updates if you want. I'm just going to leave it off and click on confirm and complete setup. And that's pretty much all we need to do. So if you just go back to Google Analytics and click over here and click on Analytics, we should be able to actually see this page. And this is pretty much where we can actually check the stats and data for our site and Shopify, and it's going to start after 48 hours. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.